Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix call failed on iPhone. And here's how it's done. Quick fixes, try first. Toggle airplane mode. Go to control center. Turn on airplane mode. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. Restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches. Check signal strength. Move to an area with better cellular reception. Network and carrier fixes. Update carrier settings. Go to settings, general, about. If an update is available, you will get a prompt. Reset network settings. Go to settings, general. Transfer or reset iPhone, reset, reset network settings. This clears save Wi-Fi, VPN, and Bluetooth settings but often solves call issues. Remove and reinsert SIM card. Take out the SIM, wait a few seconds, then reinsert it carefully. Other useful fixes. Check Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. Go to Settings, Focus, and make sure you are not in Do Not Disturb. Disable call forwarding if enabled. Go to Settings, Phone, Call Forwarding, and turn it off. Turn off LTE or 5G temporarily. Go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data, and try switching from 5G LTE to 3G. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix call failed on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.